Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Rajahmundry location, and it is from Andhra Pradesh. And if you are interested in any of the job roles mentioned in this video, you can please go through the links given below in the description box. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for the executive credit operations. And coming to the required qualifications and experience required for this job position, like operations, processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with minimum DBU hold, system hold or branch hold. Regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for clearing all the holes without any delay, and regular interaction and liaison with various HO departments, publishing regular MIS to sales regarding the holes and processing of files, and regular training to sales and discussions on process or policy and to reduce branch hold. These are some qualifications and experience required for this job position. Interested candidates, you can go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the marketing manager, and it is from Exotic Flora. And if we see the skills and qualifications required, like you should have bachelor's degree in marketing, business or related field is preferred, and you should have extent written and verbal communication skills, proven experience developing marketing plans and campaigns, strong project management, multitasking and decision making skills, and metrics driven marketing mind with eye for creativity, and experience with marketing automation and CRM tools. These are some skills and qualifications required for this job position, and it will be a full-time job opportunity, and the salary will be 40 to 50,000 per month. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, assistant manager external warehouses position is available in the Karjil. And coming to the qualifications required for this position, like you should have bachelor's degree in a related field or equivalent experience is required, and experience in the management of inventory records and execution of cycle stock on the safety stock plans, and other minimum qualifications may also apply. These are some minimum qualifications required for this job position. And coming to the preferred qualifications, like MBA in supply chain or related qualification with 6 years plus experience in handling warehouse, engaging loading and unloading activities and inventory management, and preferred knowledge of SAP is preferred. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the admissions counselor. It is from Laurel High Global School. And if you see the required experience and skills, like the candidates should have experience in public relationships or counseling, previous experience working with students, parents, teachers and administrators, and previous experience in teaching. And for this job portion, the salary ranges from 25 to 35,000 per month. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the operations executive. It is from Team List Digital. For this job position, you should have 3 to 4 years of experience in production or laboratory, and the qualifications will be BSc Chemistry or Diploma Chemical or Mechanical Engineering, and system or policy. He is bit aware about ISO systems and basic maintenance norms, and like sustainability. He is aware about the basic knowledge idea of safety and sustainability, and able to handle the troubleshootings in a shift. And the candidate should be hardworking, quick learner, sincere, confident, and positive. These are some skills required for this job position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the last one, there is a job vacancy available in Chorus Infotech. They are looking for a network engineer. And if you see the job requirements, Like you should have hands-on experience in ISP networks L1 and L2, experience in switches, Juniper, Huawei, Cisco and other vendors, and you should have experience in optical distribution networks is more preferable, and you should have deep understanding of network protocols and solid understanding of the OSI or TCP or IP model, and you should have hands-on experience with monitoring network diagnostic and network analytics, and bachelor's degree in IT related is highly valued, and you should have CCNP or higher in routing and switch or SP is more preferred. These are some requirements for this job position, and interested candidates you can please go through it. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.